It's 10 p.m., someone wants to book an appointment with you. The phone rings, nobody picks up. The call is gone, so is the booking. Every missed call is a lost customer. If you can't take calls in the evening or on weekends, your competitors will. Talura changes that. An AI phone assistant that picks up for you around the clock, booking appointments, taking callbacks, answering standard questions, even at 3:47 a.m. 3 principles make Talura different. First, full control. You pick the AI model, the voice, the telephony provider. Over 13 AI models are available. You bring your own API keys, no lock-in contracts. Second, real phone calls through your existing telephony provider plus a free chat widget on your website with the same agent. Third, GDPR first. Servers in Berlin. Encryption. Data processing agreement available. Callers hear an upfront notice. This is an AI assistant. Transparency is built in. Who is Talura for? 9 industry solutions are ready: trades and field service, doctors' offices, tax consultants, real estate, hospitality, sales and marketing, physiotherapy, car dealerships and repair shops, property management. How it works. 3 steps. No programming. First, a call comes in. Talura picks up and greets with your company name. Second, modern speech recognition captures the request, asks follow-up questions, checks availability in your calendar. Third, appointment booked, lead created, confirmation sent. You see everything in the dashboard the next morning. About pricing, honest, no hidden surcharges. 5 plans. Micro €29 with 300 minutes per month. Starter €49. Solo €89 for active solopreneurs. Professional €149 with knowledge base, CRM webhooks, and sales pipeline. Business €499 with 8,000 minutes. Plus enterprise on request. All monthly, no minimum contract. Setup is €250 flat plus 300 per hour for customization, transparently billed. Important, Talura does not subsidize API costs. Never for anyone. Telephony, speech recognition, and AI run through your own provider keys. You keep full cost control. Platform plus your own API costs combined, the ROI calculator on the pricing page shows your specific case. And free trial works like this: 100 minutes free. One time, no subscription, no credit card, no automatic billing. After 100 minutes you move to a regular plan or not. By the way, the voice in this video comes from a free open source model called Kokoro. Talura itself uses professional voice providers like 11 Labs and Cartesia for real-time phone-grade audio. Talura is my second project, alongside the 3D super generator at lern-digital.to/3D. And if you need custom software, your own tools, website improvements, business automation, we build that too. Contact is in the description. Talura.app. 100 minutes free trial.